Okay, hello, this is Chris, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to set up your domain name and your hosting accounts. Okay, and I want you to stay tuned after this brief video because I got some specials I want to share with you as far as getting you more clients on the internet. So stay tuned after this brief tutorial. Okay, first I'm going to send you an email, and you're going to have a text in that email. And what you need to do is open up that text message. If I can find it here. Oh, okay, there it is. Okay, and what you want to do is either copy and paste this URL, or you can just type it into your browser bar. So this example, I'm just going to copy it. Right click and copy. And let's go right here. Oops. Paste that in there. Click go. Okay. Computer's running a little slow. Okay, and you're going to be taken to this page right here. Okay, now what you're going to do is enter your domain name, the one that you choose. You're going to enter it right here to check and see if it's available. Okay, so real quick tip on choosing your domain name. You want to make it catchy, and you also want to make it relate to what you do. Okay, and if you're a local business, you can make it even more specific by entering a location in your domain name. Say, for example, my business is Handyman. Okay, so let's just say domain name I'm looking for is Handyman. Let's see. Let's try McDonough as an example. Handyman McDonough. Okay, and you want to use a extension of a .com, .net, or .org. Those are the only three we're going to deal with. And I'll talk to you about .mobi extension a little later on. But right now you want a .com, a .net, or a .org. If those are not available, just choose another domain name. Okay, so let's click go. Okay, and guess what? Handyman McDonough is already taken. Okay, so in that case, we can try a few things. We can try .net and .org. So actually, I'm going to try. Let's see, Handyman in McDonough. Let's try that. McDonough GA. Okay, and that's very specific domain name. Gets your location, everything, so that would rank you favorably in the search engines. So let's try that. Okay, and it says handyman and McDonoughGA.com is available. Okay, so our next step is to click the continue to registration. So let's do that. And you're going to be taken to a few upsells here. What I usually do is just click no thanks to these. And but it's your option. You can read them, and if you want them, that's fine. But just click no thanks. Okay, then you're going to be taken to this screen right here where it says create your domain registration information. Okay, and in this screen you're going to enter your information here: first name, last name, email address, company name if you have one, address, city, state, and so on, uh, state, zip code, and phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out those details, and I'll be back. Okay, now that you have your information filled out, okay, and for company name, you can put your company name there if you want. You don't have to. That's up to you. But your address and so forth. So we're going to click next. And you're going to be taken to this screen right here. Okay. It says your domain name right there, which is handymaninmcdonoughga.com. Registration length 2 years is recommended, but you can take that for 1 year. And your domain name is, I believe it said $11.99, but it's up to you. If you register for 2 years, the cost may go up. I think it's like $15.99, so you save a little bit if you get it for 2 years. But for now, for this demonstration, we're just going to do 1 year. Okay, and click next. Okay, you're going to be taken to this screen right here. This is for privacy and domain protection. You can read over these if you want. There's an extra cost involved. I usually just go to next. Okay, and you're going to get some more features. You can add those if you want. Actually, I would just skip past this. Okay, don't add anything. Okay, and then you're going to be taken to this page. Okay, here is going to show you your domain. Okay, quantity is 1 domain. Price is be $12.17. So what you do, just come to your order summary here. Make sure that total is correct. Okay, make sure that's for 1 year and so on, and make sure all these details are correct. So go ahead and click continue to checkout. Okay, and then you're going to be taken to this screen right here where it's going to query you for your billing information and so forth, how you want to pay for your domain name. And what you do, just click continue to check out. I believe it'll let you do that. Oh, I'm sorry. Password information. Now this is where you're going to choose your password. This is going to be your login information right there, your login ID. Okay, so actually let's choose a password. I'm going to choose a password and confirm a password, and I'm going to put in a password hint and a call-in pin. So you can go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I entered a password and a password hint and a call-in pin, which should be a 4-digit pin, and make sure my details are correct, my email address and so forth. Now let's click to continue to check out. And you're going to be taken to the payment page, which will be right here. And this is where you're going to be queried to select your payment method: credit card, gift card, check, PayPal, and so forth. And you enter, if you want to pay by credit card, you can enter your information there. Okay. For PayPal, you can tick the PayPal button, and you'll be taken to a PayPal page, however you want to pay. So, however you want to pay, then you're going to click this, and then you're going to click place your order now. And it's going to send you an email with your information. Okay, so I'm just going to click this. It's not going to take, okay, but anyway, that's how you do that. So, now we're going to go ahead and check our email. Okay, this is what your email is going to look like. It's going to come from support@godaddy.com, and it's going to give you your account information and so forth, your customer number, and it's going to give you some details about the purchase that you made and so forth. It's not going to have any vital information, but and That's the process basically for that. Now, a question that many people ask me about their domain name is, do I have to set up a domain, another domain name account if I want to buy another domain name? And the answer is no. Once you have your first domain name account, you can add as many domains on there as you want. Okay, so you just need one domain name account, and you can add an unlimited number of domains. Okay. So with that, what you can do is forward this email to local mobile website at att.net or att.net, excuse me, and I will take it from there. So now let's go ahead and sign up for our hosting account. Okay, now we're back at our notepad. Okay, and going to go to this URL right here, which is www.discountgatorhosting.com. So the way we do it, you can just type that in, or you can copy and paste. And let's paste it. And okay, and that's going to bring you to this page right here. Okay. Now what you want to do is click View Web Hosting Plans. So go ahead and click that. Okay, you're going to be brought to this page right here, and you want to order the baby plan, which is right here, this one right here. So click Order Now for the baby plan. And actually, you can get the other plans if you want. I just suggest for right now you stick with the baby plan because you can always upgrade. Okay, so now we're going to need to get our domain name. And I believe it was Handyman in McDonough GA.com. Yeah. Okay, yeah, you just type in the name. You don't have to put the extension there. And the coupon code you want to enter is discount 13. Okay, and let's go to step 2, see how it goes. Okay, and you're going to be taken to this page where it says billing information. Okay, and for your hosting package, it's going to be I believe it's $9.95 a month. Okay, and that's every month. And real quick, little insight on the free website offer for those of you who got that offer. Your domain name you have to buy, and your hosting you have to pay for on a month-to-month basis. The website setup is free, and that's a regular $800 value. But I kind of related to this story. I can give you suppose I gave you a car, okay? Well, you would have to buy your registration and your insurance, okay? If I gave you an MP3 player, well, you might have to buy the batteries for it. So that's how that is. So I'm giving you the free website, but you have to pay for your own domain name and your own hosting. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and choose a username. And when choosing your username, just make sure it's something that you can remember easily. Let's see. Let's try Handy MCDON. That 8 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's too many. Oh no, that's good. That's fine. Okay. Okay. No. Take off the N. And enter your security pin. Your password. Whatever it may be. Let's see, is that right? Oh, okay, let's put a number. Okay, I think that's right. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anyway, it'll tell you if you need to change anything when you go to create your account. So I'm gonna leave it right there for now. Okay, then scroll down. You're gonna enter your billing information, okay, and your payment information, and so on. You're gonna come down, and you're gonna click Create Account, and at that point you're going to be sent an email, and it's going to have your details on that email. And let me see if I can show you what it looks like. Okay, the email that HostGator will send you will look similar to this. It'll say welcome at HostGator. It'll say thank you for your order and so on. It's going to have your username and password, and it's going to have your name servers on there. Okay, and it's also going to have your cPanel information and so on, and some more information that you're going to need. Now remember to save your GoDaddy information, and also save your HostGator. Save this email also, and save the email that you got from GoDaddy also for future reference. Now once you get this email, you also need to forward a copy of this email to local mobile website at att.net, which is my website. And once I have that information and I have your name servers, I can go ahead and get started on your website to start getting you more clients on the internet. Okay, now and let me say this with the information, I'm sorry, not the information, but all of the services that I perform on your website, I will also send you copies of everything. Such as usernames for email accounts that I may have to set up, social networks such as Facebook. If I have to set up a Facebook account for your website, you'll get all that information, and it'll all be on a notepad. So you're going to get copies of everything that I do to show you what work was done for your website. Okay, so now please stay tuned. And I have some important information I need to share with you about some other services and packages that you may be interested in. I'd like to say welcome to the internet, and hopefully your experience with getting clients and customers from the internet will be exciting, and I know it will. So with that, like I said, just forward that information to my email, and I'll get started on your website, and we'll have you up and going. Okay, now stay tuned right now. Okay, I'm back, and actually I wanted to remind you that if you need help with setting up your domain name and your hosting, you can always give me a call, and we can do it together. You'll be on your computer, and I'll be on mine, and I'll walk you through the whole process. Okay, so if you're having problems, just please don't hesitate to give me a call. I'm here to help. Okay.